fresh air. I find this a rarity now. Everyone's always stuck inside on social media. So annoying. Anyways, do you want a cigarette? Oh, no. I usually don't smoke. I'm just a social smoker. Okay. Suit yourself. I am gonna get one. You know what? You do have a good point. Maybe I am addicted to these cigarettes. It's just, they calm me down so much. Ah, yes. You see, I was separated from my friends earlier. We were at this nightclub. I think it's called like the Golden Flamingo or something. And it was too loud inside for me, so I came out, and the bodyguards wouldn't let me in. So now I'm stuck wandering around. All I can do is smoke. Oh, you came here with friends too? What a coincidence. Maybe we can go find them for each other. Yeah, well, what's the point of being alone on such a lovely night? Okay. My friends, and when they get drunk, if they're drunk about now, they are going to be tripping over one each other all the time. Yep. So you gotta just look for people who can barely walk. And they're not supposed to. They're supposed to walk normally, and they're falling left and right. Yeah, why not? Let's see. Alright, so let's check my pockets. Maybe they called me earlier. So, we have a lighter. We have some gum. Gotta be fresh. We have some cigarettes. Gotta be fly. We have some keys. Gotta have a roof over my head. And, oh, you weren't supposed to see this. I'm a little embarrassed, but I do like to use protection, and you never know when you're gonna need it. It's kind of like how some girls will carry around mace or pepper spray. Guys carry this around in case we just get lucky. Who knows? So, the one thing I'm missing here, I'm supposed to have a wallet. Yeah, I don't know where it is. Maybe it dropped out at the club. Or maybe someone grabbed it. There was a lot of grabbing going on back there. Well, you don't know that. Were you in the club? If you were, I would have grabbed you, but... Okay, well, hopefully one of my friends found it. Yes, so... Okay, it seems like my friend has my wallet. Okay, phew. That calms me down a lot better. Yeah, I don't know who has my wallet. Maybe they're stealing my money. I mean, if I had my wallet, I would have bought a round for everybody, so I guess it's better in my friend's hands. No. Well, maybe we can get you a drink, but anyways. Well, what I'm trying to say is, either way, I may have purposely given my wallet to my friend, and that's why I need it back. That way he could safekeep my money and not let me use it on my very, very addictive habits, just like drinking and treating pretty girls like you out to a drink. I'm just trying to say, I'm very classy, noble, handsome, good-looking guy. Okay, let me just think out loud for a second. Alright, what if we went back into the club? Okay? And we find my friends and get my wallet and go get you a nice little drink. Anything you want. I won't judge. And then afterwards, maybe after some dancing or some little snacks at the bar, we can go to the back of the club and get to know each other more. I have a booth. We can draw the curtains just in case it gets too intimate. Okay? What do you think? Oh, really? Amazing. Here, follow me. Follow me very quick. Yes, we're gonna go through the VIP entrance. I know it's a little fancier than you'd expect, but that's what they have at this top-tier club. As for the drink, go ahead, order anything you want. Did you get your drink order in? Great. Now follow me around the corner. This club is a really big pit, and my booth looks over the whole thing. So naturally, you get to experience all the action without having to actually be in it. And if, in case you can't hear me, or you want a more quiet time, we can just close the blinds, lower the curtains, set the mood. See, they even have candles and everything for us. Good. Now that we're settled in, do you want to tell me what you were doing outside? I saw you stalking me with your beautiful eyes. Eyes that screamed to me that you needed me, that you needed all of me tonight. It wasn't just a normal crush. It seemed like it was a life or death situation. So now that we're here, why don't we just get to it? Go ahead, sit down on the couch. Don't speak another word. I know what you want, and I'm going to give it to you. Don't do that. Your lips are so fat and juicy, and it makes me wanna kiss you forever. But how am I supposed to breathe? I have to take breaks. Oh yeah, that's right. I have a nose. That's a good idea. Damn, girl. You're actually really good at this. I want to be yours forever. Forever and ever and ever. And one day, when I can't speak anymore, when my voice gets so deep from loving you so much that you can't hear it anymore, I want you to remember all the nice moments we had like this. And I want you to get on top, okay? And take it away from there. Fucking love you so much. No, baby. You know what would feel so good right now? If you like and subscribe to the video. Or actually, like the video and subscribe to me. Yeah, that makes more sense. Why? Because I enjoy making this content. And when people like you like and subscribe, I know that's good content, so I can continue creating more versions of it in the future. Yeah, it's just good feedback. Otherwise, to tell you the truth, if no one likes and comments, then I'm pretty much talking in the basement into a microphone, looking at my screen, and yeah, that's not a good time. I like to know that other people also get to appreciate, right? So, once again, like and subscribe. Thank you.